So today I want to do something a little bit different for me is I want to compare a couple tools. This is the DeWalt 3-line 360-degree green laser. As you can see, it's green, battery's fully charged. And this is the brand new Hilti PM30MG 3-line green laser. And this battery is also fully charged. The first thing I want to talk about is price on these. This one retails for around $750 Canadian. This one's $450 to $550 depending on what kind of sale you're getting it on or where you buy it from. Comparatively, they come with a lot of the same options, as in they come with a targeting system, they come with a magnetic mount, they come with a charger, they come with one battery. This one is 2.6 amps, this one's 2.5 amps. They both come with a mount to go to T-bar ceiling tracks, but aside from being green lasers and having 3 beams and those things, the comparison and the similarities end there. The Hilti laser is slightly brighter. You can see it on the right versus the one on the left. It's crisper, like it's a finer line at distance, and it is rated for use at a longer distance away than the DeWalt is. The biggest differences that I find is the runtime. The DeWalt laser gives you 3-4 hours runtime on this battery, and the battery takes about 60 minutes to fully charge versus 12 hours on this battery, and this battery takes 15 minutes to fully charge, so I wouldn't even consider getting a second one. Another difference, you can lock the pendulum on the Hilti laser while turning it on, which means that you can do things off level if you need to. It has a button so you can use it with a detector. You can select multiple lines on both of them. The biggest difference though, and this is where it comes down to value, is that this Hilti has the ability to be calibrated, whereas this DeWalt cannot be calibrated. And I tried getting this answer out of a lot of different people. No one, like a lot of influencers that work with DeWalt, claim that it can be, but no one has actually given me definitive, like, this is where I can send it to if I drop it and it can be calibrated and it can be fixed, versus Hilti can be brought into them. It'll be calibrated. Within the first 2 years, it's free twice a year. And after that, it's, I believe, $65 a year. So this laser, while it costs more money, is a permanent tool. They also offer a 20-year warranty on being serviceable. And this laser can't be calibrated. If you drop this and this laser goes out of calibration, that's it, it's gone. This laser has twice the accuracy in that, I mean, it's rated for, I believe, 1/16 of an inch at 30 feet, and this is rated at 1/8 of an inch at 30 feet, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it's enough that, this one's twice as accurate, so you're going to get better results with it. You can also have this one recalibrated, which they suggest doing twice a year, which means that if this goes out of calibration, it can be fixed. It's got some other cool features, but that's really, the direct comparison is between the two, and which laser is actually better suited to you is really dependent on what kind of money you're willing to spend. But if you want something that you're going to be able to keep for years to come over the rest of your career, this is going to be more in line with that versus, eventually you're going to drop this. It's going to go out of calibration. There's going to be an issue with it. Even seasonal changes in temperature and humidity can affect these lasers. And there's nothing that can be done about this one if that happens to it. I hope this was informative. I hope this helps people in making a decision about what they're looking for in a laser. And, I never thought about the ability to be calibrated before I bought one, which this was the one I bought first a few years ago. And realizing that's important, I've moved on to this one and I'll be selling this one. But I hope this helps other people in understanding that that's a necessity when buying a laser if you want to keep it long term.